Hey guys, I'm Allison, I'm the Pampered Wife. It's time for some clean beauty empties. My environment, it will be set up at some point. This is my art room and I'm planning on, fixing it up, but I thought I should go ahead and start filming in here because I think this is where I'll be from now on. So let's jump in. Oh, hello. Just move. Hi. I've sort of separated my empties. Let's start with a favorite, and it looks like there's still some in here. I'm gonna have to hold it on it, let it stay on its side and see if I can get more out. This is the Free and True All Over Creamy Body Serum, Body Profit, Sea Buckthorn, Olive Leaf, and Pumpkin. This is a beautiful lightweight lotion that I used all summer. I feel like it does not want to focus on this. It's a beautiful lightweight lotion that I used all summer. It smells wonderful. It's this beautiful yellow from the Sea Buckthorn, I believe. My husband said it reminds him of the beach. Somehow it reminds me of some baby lotion products. It sinks in quickly, but is moisturizing. I don't know how it would be in winter time. Absolutely love it, but I'm just not sure it'd be enough for winter, although that's not to say it wouldn't be. But I love it. It's a lightweight moisturizer, very comfortable, smells nice, not overpowering in scent, sinks in, has beautiful ingredients, and you can see not greasy. Yeah, I definitely would buy that one again. And like I said, it looks like there may be some left in here. This is a glass bottle, like milky glass. I've contacted Free and True to see if they offer refills and I have not heard back, so I'm guessing the answer is no, but I would think that they're working on that. That's a brand I'd like to try some other things from as well. Let me know if you've tried anything, like they have a vitamin C product, and I'm not sure what else. This is the Mara Sea Kale Sunscreen Serum SPF 30. I did a video on this. It's their new sunscreen. It's turned yellow down there, which it was white, so I'm guessing at this point it's old. You do have to shake it, and it is a very oily product. Definitely would be in place of a moisturizer for me. I could feel it on my skin. It has a beautiful scent, which I believe maybe all their products have, because I tried something else by them recently and it smelled the same way. It's a little bit floral, if I'm remembering correctly. Anyway, it was beautiful, but like I said, really kind of oily and not slick and greasy, but just I could feel it on my skin. It definitely was dewy. I could see it might leave a white cast on some people, especially if you use the amount you're supposed to use. I would not repurchase this based on my needs and what I use, although I would recommend this product in general. I think it's a beautiful product. I just didn't like how it felt on my skin, that I always felt it present. This is the Giovanni, I guess, Too Chic Ultra Luxurious Leave-In Conditioning and Styling Elixir. And it's to detangle and soften, control frizz and flyaways, define styles, waves, and curls, and help prevent split ends and breakage in the scent Cherry Blossom and Rose Petals. It's color safe and salon quality. It is vegan, cruelty-free with recyclable packaging. I got this, just like at the grocery store or something on a trip. Well, it doesn't even matter where. On a trip where I forgot hair products. I have frizzy hair, and this did a nice job of taming it. I would use this again. I didn't love it, but it definitely didn't weigh down my hair. It didn't make it look greasy or stringy. I have nothing negative to say about it. My hair wasn't as frizzy and fly away, but I wouldn't say it was like a leave-in conditioner that really did a lot for my hair. I would get that again if I didn't already say that. I'm not as excited about that one as I am the Body Profit by Free and True, but I definitely would get that one again. It's definitely one of the better products I've used. We'll stick with the hair and go with another hair product, John Masters Organics Leave-In Conditioning Mist with green tea and calendula. I really enjoyed this one. I liked the way it smelled. This is plastic, by the way. The Mara was in glass. I forgot to mention that, so nicely recyclable. And I love Mara as a brand. If you're not familiar with Mara, do look into it. It's a beautiful brand. Anyway, back to John Masters. This, I liked the way it smelled. It reminds me of Aveda from back in the day. Was it the 80s that Aveda really started coming out and becoming popular. That's what the scent reminds me of. As far as a conditioning mist, it did nothing to control my hair in any way, but it made it really soft. So if you have finer hair, maybe thinner hair, something like that, this could work for you. It just wasn't right for my frizzy, out of control, wavy hair, but left it really soft. This is the Christina Holy and Marie Veronique Barium Restore Serum. I have a whole video on Marie Veronique and how I felt about their products. This is glass packaging. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description box down below, just for your convenience. So if you can't see the name or understand me, you can go ahead and look through the description box down below and see any of these products. This product I felt like was essential to the line and to my routine with Marie Veronique's products. At the same time, when my skin was raw, like around my nose, I have allergies, I'm constantly blowing my nose. It's always red and raw, especially, you know, around my nose. So this burned. I think that's a personal issue. I think I have an issue with glucosides, which is totally natural and safe and supposed to be great for sensitive skin, but of course you can still be sensitive to or allergic to stuff that's natural or good for sensitive skin in general. And I think I was, because I feel like this should not have burned when my skin was chapped and raw. My skin was great while I was using it. And you know, before I had a cold or my allergies went out of control, and then it burned and I had to give it a break for a little while. So I don't know what to say about this one. This is the Chia Powerful Advanced Multi-Correctional Scalp and Hair Treatment. My hair had been thinning, especially at the temples. I don't know, maybe I should post the picture next to it. They say it takes about 3 months to start working, and I'm pretty positive I see a difference. I don't think I'm being fooled. This is glass, by the way, and they've recently come out with a bigger size because, you know, I probably go through one a month and a half, I'm not sure. So I just ordered, they had a special from Beauty Heroes, if you buy 2, you saved a few dollars. So I bought 2, but the next time I will get the larger size. Yeah, it smells really nice. You just spray it in, rub it around, you know, the spots that you need it, and it dries down. Doesn't look like there's anything in your hair. It's not greasy. Hopefully it's working. I think it is, to help regrow some of my hair loss that I've been having from hormones. So that's very exciting. I should mention I'm also using Vegamore, the shampoo, which is supposed to be good for hair growth, and the Vegamore conditioner. And I've started taking zinc, which can block testosterone from the hair, something or other. You'll have to talk to your naturopath. That's who recommended the zinc to me, but supposedly there's some science behind that. So if you're experiencing a similar issue, you might want to look into that and check out the Chia Powerful. At this point, I do recommend it. I have repurchased it. I just did repurchase more, and I probably will continue indefinitely. Oh, let's go on with another Marie Veronique product. This is the Rejuvenating Night Oil. This is a rich blend of omega-3 and 6 essential fatty acids to improve tone and elasticity. Yeah, I loved this. This was great. It was moisturizing. It smells, oh my gosh. If I could only read this with the ingredients, I would tell you if it has what I can't think of in neem oil. I think it's what I'm thinking of. Basically, it doesn't smell good, but that's okay. If it's effective, I don't mind that. It was beautiful. The texture to put on my skin, it felt nice. I did love this, and I have contemplated repurchasing it. I'm back and forth on it because I always want to try new things, but this is one I definitely recommend. This is the St. Jane Beauty Bright Repair Eye Cream with 100 milligrams of CBD. This is a, you know, sample size, trial size, travel size. It's glass packaging. This is obviously a luxurious brand. I've used it all. I did leave a teeny bit here to show you. It reminds me of the consistency of whipped honey. It sort of melts upon contact, but it is thicker and, yeah, not sticky, but it's like whipped honey. That's really the best way I could explain it, or like propolis, and you just kind of tap it out, because if you spread it, you'd end up tugging. And this was nice. I have very sensitive under eyes, and this didn't irritate my under eyes. It did moisturize, And it wore fine under makeup. I wore it during the day too, which is actually pretty thick, so you would think you couldn't, but it did wear nicely under makeup for me. I would recommend that one. I, again, have thought about purchasing a full size of that. But then there are just so many other ones I want to try. Like I'm thinking of the, oh my gosh. Okay, I can't think of the name of it right now. I can see it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, I can't think of the name of it, but there's one that I really want to try that has recently come out. This is another St. Jane Beauty product. This is their Hydrating Petal Cream. Again, glass jar, super high-end luxurious product. I feel like this smelled like roses, but I can't smell it right now. There's absolutely nothing left. It was almost a gel moisturizer. It was really nice and lightweight, but it did a great job of moisturizing. If you're not familiar with St. Jane, all of their products have CBD in it, and it's a super clean CBD. You really need to know where your CBD is being sourced from and how. This was lovely. And if you like a lightweight moisturizer that's still really hydrating, this is a great one, but it's expensive. I'm not sure you need to spend that much money to get that quality of a product, but if you respond well to CBD, it's definitely worth looking into. This is the Kinship Self-Reflect SPF 32 Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum. And I love this. I have a gigantic one. I used it today. It is slightly tinted so that it doesn't have a white cast, but I wouldn't exactly call it tinted. It's more luminizing on the skin. It is moisturizing. I have dry skin. For me, it provides a beautiful base under makeup. It makes my skin feel moisturized and nice all day. I've been very pleased with it. Plus, I love the broad spectrum protection. I love the price point and that it's an SPF 32. So you should be wearing sunscreen every day. The best sunscreen for you is the one that you'll wear. This was a little sample that I got with another product by Versed. This is the Fix Emergency Eye Mask. And I gotta say, I was so pleasantly surprised by this. I was able to get multiple uses out of it, and it really did work. Let's see. And it says, dollop between fingertips, smooth on and wait 10 minutes, tissue off excess. So I never needed to tissue off the excess. It's caffeine and cucumber juice. It does have some ingredients in it that I'm not excited about, but it totally helped with puffiness under the eyes. I could see using it on occasion, maybe before night out. The results weren't long lasting, but it definitely worked temporarily. We have a few makeup items. We have the Plume Nourish and Define Brow Pencil. One end is short and one end is long, which I love because it's very easy to tell that this end is your spoolie and the cap clicks on, which you just heard, and this end is your brow product. I am completely out. It is refillable, and you just pull this out and slip in a new one, so you can even change shades if you want or stick with the same shade. I think this is a really great product because I love that it's refillable, but also because it has some nice shades for me. It's a waxier formula. It's not very powdery. You can really draw some lines and then go in and blend it all in with the spoolie. I have purchased refills. I believe I have more, and I will definitely continue using it. The only thing is, because it's a softer product, I do run out of this much more than like my Eco Brow, which I've had the same Eco Brow through like 3 replacements of this, but it just depends on what you like. And I actually really like this as well. There's supposed to be some ingredients in here that's supposed to help your brows grow as well and nourish them, as opposed to just being cosmetic. This is the Organic Skin Company Hide and Seek Concealer. This is refillable. It's a bamboo top. I have the shade Rose Beige. No scent. You can see I've hit pan. This is a product that I really like. It's almost like an under eye moisturizer as well as concealer. It's a very lightweight concealer, light coverage concealer. So it just kind of does some blurring and not so much covering. You can't build it up too much, or at least I couldn't, because then it could start to look cakey, but I really enjoyed this. And as we get older, I think the less coverage, the better. We definitely want color correction, but not so much coverage, because we have more wrinkles, and the thicker the product is, the more it's gonna collect and our fine lines and wrinkles. So this is a lovely product. I think I've just had it for long enough that I need to declutter it, but I will keep the case because I could see buying a refill sometime in the future. Finally, I have my old packaging of Fit Glow Vegan Good Lash Mascara, I think it's called. I love this. I haven't tried the new packaging yet. I don't know if they changed the formula on that one, but I do have it in my backup drawer and we'll be trying it soon. This is the one with the pine cone wand and applicator. I love this mascara. For me, this is one of those that I wear. It's in between full volume and lengthening every day. Wispy lashes. It's that perfect everything, good for every occasion mascara. It does have ingredients in it to nourish your lashes and help them grow. I have nothing bad to say about it. It doesn't flake. It almost is waterproof in the sense of you can get teary-eyed, not, you know, get all the running and smudging underneath your eyes. I do need to add, I never put mascara on my bottom lashes. So any review I give on mascara, you need to know I don't put on the bottom lashes. So take that for what you will. I do recommend this, but again, I haven't tried the new packaging to see if the formula is any different. I do have it. I will let you know what I think, but definitely the old one, if you find it on sale or available anywhere, I love it. It's one of my very favorite mascaras. That is everything that I have for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have tried any of these products, let us know in the description box, or I mean in the comments below, your thoughts. Like, do you agree with me? Do you disagree? Like I said, give this video a thumbs up. I think I said that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it at any point. I'd love to have you subscribe. And in the meantime, I hope you find some time to pamper yourself today. Bye.